Hey guys, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and I wanted to take a minute to reintroduce myself, or to reintroduce my channel, or even introduce my channel to those who are viewing for the first time. So if you are a faithful follower or a member of the TMB family, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, first time seeing it, welcome to the TMB family. I wanted to just give you guys just a brief glimpse of who it is behind TMB Designs. My name is Trevina, and as many women, I myself wear many hats. I'm a wife, a mother, a hairstylist of 25 years. I'm an educator and platform artist for a major hair company for the last 17 years. I'm an event planner, a home stager, an avid DIYer, and what most of you may not know is that I'm also a licensed minister and former pastor. So I wear many hats, and I wear them all proudly. My goal on TMB Designs, it is a lifestyle channel. So you'll find everything here from home decor, home interior inspiration, shopping hauls, clean with me's, grocery hauls, cook with me's. You'll find chit chats. And recently I've decided to add just some roundtable talk, because my friends and I, we have some interesting conversations, and I think you guys should know what's going on in our world, or how we think, you know, from our age perspective. So I thought it would be great to add that to the channel. Now also, I'm going to be making a few changes to the channel because it is growing and I'm excited about it. When I came back with a vengeance, because I started the channel, for those that don't know, let's give you a brief history. I started the channel about 7 years ago with no intent of it being a consistent thing. I just was a part of a craft group actually, and I had gotten into the world of wreath making. I absolutely loved it, and many of them loved my creations, and they said, why don't you create a video showing others how to do this? I said, okay, why not? Not knowing where it would lead to or what would transpire as a result of that. So many things have happened as a result. I became a wreath maker. So just my gift just simply made room for me. And I made several videos not knowing the depth of YouTube and how it worked and that type of thing. So didn't even think of it being like a consistent, again, making it a channel and just bringing more. So I made the videos and I thought I was done. And different people began to reach out to me, asking me to make more videos, asking me where I'd been, because I hadn't made any in a while. And that was very encouraging. So I made an attempt to come back. But as life happens, life happened. And I just wasn't at a place, you know, just honestly, just wasn't at a place mentally to bring my best. And I am the type, if I don't give my best, I'm not going to give anything at all. And so I needed to regroup mentally, spiritually, physically, and get myself at a place to be able to bring you or present to you my best. So now, in the last year, I've been back. I've been loving it. I've done some research, and your girl is ready to just grow and soar in the YouTube world. I understand that, you know, the logistics of it all, which at one point I wasn't even interested in it. But again, if I'm going to do something, I'm going to search it out so that I can present and give my best effort in it. So I'm asking you to be patient with me as I grow and evolve. And to a YouTube creator, that's another title that I can add to my many hats. I'm a YouTube creator, and I'm excited about it. I'm excited about interacting with you all. It has been a really wonderful journey, just coming back, and my God, I've connected with so many great men and women. We've done collaborations, we've done tags, and it's been amazing. So I know that I can only go up from here, but I need you to do that. So if you're not a part of the TMB family, hit that subscribe button, join the family, so that we can grow and soar, and I can bring you more creative ideas. Again, it's a lifestyle channel. I love what I do. I do it with passion. I do it with drive and determination. So I hope that you find something on this channel to inspire you, to motivate you to want to clean better, live better, spend better, just be better. That's what it's all about. We're helpers one to another. And so I hope that TMB Design is a help and an inspiration to you. And with that brief summary, I also want to encourage you to follow me on my other social media sites. I am active on TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So I'm so excited about what the future holds. I'm so excited about bringing you new content. I have so many ideas. As doors open for me, I want to bring you guys along on that journey. My event planning business has begun to really grow and expand. I have just been so blessed and so honored for many new upcoming events and activities, and I want you guys to be a part of that. So as God blesses me, I'm gonna bless you. So let's grow together. Until the next video, you know what I'm gonna say, as I'll say in every video, and I mean it from my heart. I want you to have a blessed and beautiful